Hello, all you wonderful people in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get to that. So today is additive day, and the additive I am trying, I've done suntan oil, I've done sunscreen, and so now I'm trying this aloe after sun gel lotion cream stuff. And of course it is with a very heavy heart that I have to say these next few words. And of course that is, well, there's no easy way to say it. There's only a couple days left of summer. August is almost over. The outdoor pool near where I live is going to be closed in a few days. School goes in a few more days after that. So summer's almost over, my friends. It's a sad time of year. So I wanted to do a very summery painting. As you can see, I am starting with a nice sky blue canvas. Now this aloe vera gel I have added to the white and the yellow. And I'm also going to be using orange and red. The orange has some alcohol, and the red has, what did I use? Oh, that dishwasher stuff, rinse agent stuff. So I'm going to start with the white and just make a few clouds. Fluffy, wispy clouds. Looks like that gel might be a little chunky. That's alright. Maybe I just need to mix it in a little bit more. So next we're going to make the sun. And we'll start with orange because why not? And we'll get some red in there. And with the experimental ingredient, we've got some yellow. And yes, I am purposely doing it near the end here, and it will go over, and that's okay. A bit more yellow. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and torch this and then spread it out a little bit. Okay. I'm going to take the skewer and see if I can maybe make those blobs of gel a little less obvious. I didn't want to mix it in too much. I mean, that's what gives you your cells. If you mix it in too much, you'll lose the cells, if cells are going to happen. But of course, I don't want blobs of it on the canvas either. Especially as it's green and the clouds, I'd rather the clouds be white. Alright, let's see here. So now I'm going to try something with the sun. And I might need something bigger, but I'm going to try it just with this. Yeah, that's what I thought. I need something a bit bigger. That's alright. So I've got one of these sponge paintbrush deals. And I'm just going to use the corner and just swipe out. That's a bit better. That's not looking quite how I wanted either. What other options do I have here? Well, I can try a popsicle stick. Let's see what that does. Well, I'm not sure. Would you call this summery anymore? That's an odd-looking sun. I'm going to put a little extra paint on that. Oops. There we go. Can't hurt. Okay. Yeah, it's not too bad, actually. And for the most part, I'm trying to wipe off most of the paint in between each swipe. Add a little extra there. Alright, let's see. Let's just swirl this around just a tiny bit. To it. Okay, a little bit more on this side, I think. Just covering up some of that blue that crept its way in. I guess that was bound to happen with all that paint smearing around. Okay. Alright, I definitely see some cell formation going on. I'm just going to torch that again and let it sit for a bit and see what we got. Alright, so I'm going to let that sit for about a half an hour or so, and then we'll see what we get. Alright, so it's been about a half an hour. Just going to get a close-up here because I do see a fair amount of cell formation. Maybe swiping it this way wasn't the best way to showcase that, but I definitely see some cell formation in the yellows and the oranges. And yeah, my sun looks a little different, but you know, when you look at a sun from the naked eye, just looks like you know, yellowish orangish, but if you get a close-up, you see that it's all sorts of different colors. So anyway, that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to pardon me. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. I hope you all had a wonderful summer and you have a fantastic autumn. Thank you again for watching, and I will see all you wonderful people next time.